So we just put together SEISMO in the last video. Now we're going to put together Krader. If you didn't see the first video, click on this link to watch it now. So here we have Krader all finished, and he comes with one of those pesky Mixels. Krader can spin around, and he has a big giant wrecking ball hand, so he can blast right through rocks. It's pretty cool. I like his little feet, and I love how he can spin. And you can slam one of these Mixels. Bam! Get out of here, Mixel. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to build Shuff, our third Cragster. Or click on the link to watch me build SEISMO, our first Cragster. See you in the next video.